Okay, today on Tommy Bird, John's very pissed off. We've got to go find Mr. Giggles now.
No, I wanted him to tell why I'm pissed.
Yeah, start
so,
over.
Thomas, why am I pissed?
Because I forgot the spoon with you? Ow! Fine, you lost your last Cheeto. It was... Oh.
Why am I pissed?
I don't know, because you left. You still come back? Dude, I have a third dick. You're mad at me because the orange man left.
What's his name?
His name is Mr. Fuckos. Oh! Mr. Giggles!
Okay, well, we've already punished you for it. Now we just gotta go and find the damn clown.
Oh, no.
I ain't going out there.
Yes, you are.
I'm gonna find the fucking clown.
Yes, you are.
Oh, shit.
Thomas,
You
let
let
him go. You find him.
Wait.
You let him out. You gotta go find him.
Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Ow. Alright. Okay, fine. We'll go find him. Mr. Fuckos. Giggles! Ouch!
Wow, it got dark. Sweet guys! Alright, we'll be back later. Okay. Alright, we've been searching for a few hours now. It's getting late. We've had no luck with finding Mr. Giggles. And Thomas will not stop complaining.
We're not going to find him. Why do we have to find Mr. Giggles? You know I'm scared of clowns. I can't do this anymore.
He's my friend.
I don't care if he's a friend. He's the one who's picking on his... Okay, look. We were going through a couple hours looking for...
I paid $100. Are you going to give me $100?
$100 for a psycho clown to get out of the... Okay, I'm not going to get into it. Look, there's a Mexican store right over here. I'm going to get some chips. Alright? You want to come with me?
I'll stay out here in case I see Giggles.
Alright.
Go.
Okay. Oh, come on, man. Let's go get some chips. What the hell? Oh my god. Hold up. Right there. He's right there. Look, he's right there. You see him?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the hell?
He's actually getting
changed.
Just
Dude,
go.
I'm gonna get some chips.
And yet again, guys, he doesn't like clowns. And as you can tell, he's going in there. Now, why do I want him to find Mr. Giggles? He's my friend. I made a promise to my friend that nothing would happen to him. And Tommy Bird lets him go. Yeah, not too happy with that. But here's a little bit of our town. Across the street you really can't tell. There's a park. We're in the parking lot right now. Alright, Thomas is taking too long. We'll be back with you in a moment. Alright, Tommy Bird's going over there. I'm going to have a chat with my friend. Mr. Giggles! Mr. Giggles!
What are you doing?
Finding you.
Why?
Because you ran away.
I didn't.
Yeah?
No, I didn't. Where's Tommy Bird?
In a store.
I can get Tommy Bird.
Yes, go get the bird.
Go.
Go torture the bird.
You hold my son. Where did you go anyway?
Make sure Thomas went inside.
No, you were gone. You were gone.
Oh, I saw your niece, dude.
Have a niece?
Yes.
David!
Mr. Giggles, you're fucking fast.
I got the bird. What do I do to it?
We'll wait till we get home.
Okay. I got the episode of Baby Bird.